Sin is óg. Chainneal fir is dócha go háirí fir ans na heileann anichte ar son a bhí brín in na farcain neon sláinteach. Ach gachte húine an a teismíán Balaich Jarnabhaid, bhí buidheann tigéireanich a cruineachach ar son mearmh rúd sin I dhéanú. An a 2023, bhí Bhuidheann Aillse Fir in Innse Gall a comharrachadh coig bliana deagh, le bhí toirt cólach fir le Aillse gus taic a toirt deagh chéile. An obair cuideachd toirt Joe eisimpleir, do bhalaich is fir ága me go cudromach sa ha bring mui faireachdainnean. An je áte tóirseach a seo, a fáilte bhlá is crach bha na dhearbhach a an áirite fir a bhís tail seo gach seachcan, toirt seachad an cudseolalas le fir Mhìle, gohan an féin a had fus úr ein, go bhfuil Aillse orra nó ha féin years.
My cancer was diagnosed in 2010, and the first thing I thought of was, where could I get some support? And this group had just been formed at that time, and I came along. There were only 7 men here when I joined, and now we have over 50 men on our books, and around about 30 of them come here on a Friday afternoon every week.
Hannig gael siadam fwy'n siab bliadhna, agus badís as a bhuidheann gan eich agus fugad o taic sy'n gynna bhuidheann a chafein hi'n taic lys yn dair sy'n farw.
Mis war taic for the bhuidheann lys yw chwydioch gael. Agus dyr y tor charid yn yw'r dyn ach dy hynny jyst na bith dwi'n gynna ach dach tron y bhuidheann. Agus sy'n ni cymryd y ddod dwi'n chwlt rhaid hynny bydd fad cwmw. Agus rwydla mama ie'n sy'n mi ffogyn sy'n awn ach yn ffain yma chatoich tron iach ach ys dyn hynny.
The idea that men are not, generally speaking, very good at talking about themselves and their own problems. And it was an attempt to try and get them to speak to one another about their own issues. We didn't know how successful it would be, but it's turned out to be wonderfully successful because if you're diagnosed with cancer locally, you can come along here. There will be somebody here who's already had your cancer, and you can talk to them if you wish about the treatment you're likely to have. And it gives a measure of reassurance to men before they go away. And then when they come back here regularly, just to talk to people. We don't always talk about cancer, of course. We talk about absolutely anything under the sun, but the atmosphere is good. It's a very friendly atmosphere. We don't ask questions. We don't challenge people. It's friendly and supportive.
Cool toshin, ha dhéanra na Buidheann a cur fis an an dói mócha fichglach gon na féing sa choirsnach go ha úre féin amach go bhfuil Aillse orra. A bharach go curach a hort jaibh, tsin gon hagarta sa tihúine, had cuiteach go toirteachad bec an taic agad, is an fuchach a hort de chuid gan na dúilchit is an láia a ha tsin le Aillse.
Each time that we are advised that a man has been diagnosed with cancer, we get in touch with him and we send him a letter of invitation to come and join the group if he wants to. And we also send him a check. We do that because we understand how very expensive it is to be diagnosed with cancer.
Taking a video. Yeah.
Cudromach had hier de klippen weer anders in vierde wijn van het fichead as a group agus a toirt og dus nach bych verst còmhla le bidh.
Er is een còmhla has een brínis cúsins frutten. Wel gaan ik haal dan wel ach gaan we suitable zo. Zo'n bandje jou. Agus op horen zo graag. Ik leef aan de vanaf. Als een neunisch.